Welcome to the Sunshine State, where adventure awaits at every turn. Florida is a treasure trove of diverse attractions that cater to every type of traveler. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking to conquer the rides at Disney World, or a nature lover eager to explore the breathtaking Everglades, Florida has something for everyone. Picture yourself lounging on the pristine beaches of Miami, soaking up the sun, or embarking on a thrilling airboat ride through the swamps, spotting alligators and exotic birds. From the vibrant nightlife of Orlando to the serene beauty of the Florida Keys, the state offers a unique blend of experiences that are sure to captivate your heart. You can dive into the magical world of theme parks where fantasy comes to life, or escape to tranquil nature reserves that showcase Florida's stunning landscapes. Join us as we uncover the best places to visit in Florida, ensuring your next trip is filled with unforgettable memories and endless excitement. Walt Disney World Resort. Step into a world of enchantment at Walt Disney World Resort, the ultimate family destination that promises magic for visitors of all ages. Spanning over 25,000 acres, this iconic resort is home to 4 incredible theme parks, including the beloved Magic Kingdom, where fairy tales come to life, and Epcot, where you can explore cultures from around the globe. Experience unique adventures like character dining, where you can share a meal with your favorite Disney characters, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Thrilling rides like Space Mountain and the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train will get your adrenaline pumping, while enchanting attractions like It's a Small World will delight younger guests. To make the most of your visit, consider planning your trip during off-peak times to avoid long lines. Utilize the My Disney Experience app for real-time updates on wait times and dining reservations. With a little preparation, you can maximize your enjoyment and immerse yourself in the unforgettable magic that only Walt Disney World can offer. The Florida Keys. Welcome to the Florida Keys, a tropical paradise known for its stunning beauty and laid-back vibe. The journey begins with the scenic drive along the Overseas Highway, a breathtaking route that connects the islands with panoramic views of turquoise waters and lush landscapes. As you cruise along, you'll feel the stress of everyday life melt away, setting the perfect tone for your island adventure. Once you arrive, the Keys offer a plethora of activities to immerse yourself in nature. Snorkeling and diving in the crystal-clear waters reveal vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, making it a must-do for ocean enthusiasts. Don't forget to catch a mesmerizing sunset, where the sky transforms into a canvas of colors, creating a magical backdrop for your evening. Key West, the southernmost point of the continental United States, is a highlight of the Keys. Known for its vibrant nightlife, you can enjoy lively bars, delicious seafood, and the famous Duval Street, where the fun never stops. The Florida Keys truly offer an unforgettable escape filled with adventure and relaxation. Everglades National Park. Dive into the unique ecosystem of Everglades National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases one of the most diverse natural environments in the world. This vast wetland is crucial for preserving biodiversity, providing a habitat for countless species and playing a vital role in water conservation for South Florida. Protecting this natural wonder is essential not only for wildlife, but also for future generations to experience its beauty. Wildlife spotting opportunities abound in the Everglades, where you can encounter iconic creatures like alligators basking in the sun and gentle manatees gliding through the waters. Birdwatchers will delight in the chance to see a variety of species, including the endangered roseate spoonbill. To fully immerse yourself in this stunning landscape, consider taking an exhilarating airboat tour that whisks you through the marshes, offering a thrilling perspective of the park. For those who prefer a slower pace, numerous hiking trails allow you to explore the diverse flora and fauna up close. The Everglades is a true gem waiting to be discovered. Miami Beach. Experience the vibrant culture and stunning beaches of Miami Beach, a destination that perfectly blends relaxation with excitement. One of the highlights of this iconic area is the famous Art Deco architecture along Ocean Drive, where pastel-colored buildings and neon lights create a nostalgic yet lively atmosphere. Strolling along this historic strip, you'll feel the pulse of the city as you take in the unique designs that define Miami's architectural heritage. As the sun sets, Miami Beach transforms into a nightlife hotspot, offering an array of clubs, bars, and lounges that cater to every taste. Whether you're in the mood for live music, dancing, or a laid-back cocktail experience, the diverse culinary scene will tantalize your taste buds with flavors from around the world. For families, Miami Beach is equally inviting, with plenty of beach sports like volleyball and paddleboarding to keep everyone active. Parks such as South Point Park provide a perfect spot for picnics and playground fun. With its blend of culture, nightlife, and family-friendly activities, Miami Beach is a destination that truly has it all. St. Augustine. Uncover the rich history of St. Augustine, the oldest city in the United States, where every cobblestone street tells a story. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Castillo de San Marcos, a formidable fortress built in the 17th century that offers stunning views of the surrounding area. As you explore its walls, you'll gain insight into the city's colonial past and its strategic importance in protecting Spanish interests. St. Augustine is also home to unique attractions like the Fountain of Youth Archaeological Park, where legend has it that Ponce de Leon sought the mythical spring. Visitors can stroll through beautiful gardens and learn about the early Spanish settlers who shaped the region. For those seeking a thrill, local ghost tours provide a spine-tingling glimpse into the city's haunted history, showcasing its many ghostly tales and historic sites. Throughout the year, cultural festivals celebrate St. Augustine's diverse heritage, offering music, food, and art that reflect the city's vibrant community. With its blend of history and culture, St. Augustine is a captivating destination waiting to be explored. Tampa Bay area. Explore the diverse attractions of the Tampa Bay area, a vibrant region that offers something for everyone. Families will love spending the day at Busch Gardens, where thrilling rides and up-close animal encounters create unforgettable memories. Just a short drive away, the Florida Aquarium invites visitors to dive into the wonders of marine life, featuring interactive exhibits and a chance to see everything from playful otters to majestic sharks. Beyond family fun, the Tampa Bay area boasts a thriving arts scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and museums showcasing local talent. Don't miss the chance to explore the historic Ybor City, known for its rich cultural heritage and lively atmosphere. For those who appreciate craft beverages, the area is home to a growing number of local breweries, offering tastings and tours that highlight the region's unique flavors. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to love as well, with opportunities for kayaking in the serene waters of Tampa Bay, or relaxing on the beautiful beaches of nearby Clearwater and St. Pete. The Tampa Bay area truly has it all for an exciting getaway. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in Florida, it's clear that this state is a treasure trove of diverse attractions waiting to be explored. From the enchanting magic of Walt Disney World and the stunning beauty of the Florida Keys to the rich history of St. Augustine and the vibrant culture of Miami Beach, each destination offers its own unique features and experiences. Whether you're seeking thrilling adventures, serene nature escapes, or cultural enrichment, Florida has something for everyone. We encourage you to embark on your own Florida adventure and discover the hidden gems and iconic spots that make this state so special. Don't forget to share your experiences and favorite places with us. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more exciting travel guides and tips. Happy exploring, and we can't wait to see where your Florida journey takes you.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.